Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Amazfit BIP Max. And on this video, we are going to synchronize our data. We have a new data. And we'll synchronize it with the Google Fit application. On our first video, we do have a demo for synchronizing it, transferring our sports activity with the Strava application. This time, I'll show you if it's working with Google Fit. Can we synchronize the sports data with Google Fit? Let's see. So if you are interested to see the results, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and transfer our sports activity on Zepp app, then on the Google Fit application. Remember, we do have the data for our activity. We have here the workout history. We have at least 2 indoor tests or pedometer test out of 500. We do have here the results, 496. We have the second one. We have 491. Okay, we have an additional workout just to test it out. We have here our strength. This one. We pick this one. I'm going to show you the sports. We have the strength training. So what are the data on strength training? Let's see. So we do have at least 5 minutes of activity. So we have 32 calories burned. Our beats per minute is 115 beats per minute. The duration is 5 minutes. Total sets 1. Interval 134. We have here the heart rate zone. Our average here is 115. We have the highest 134 and 75. Okay, so these are the data for our strength training. Okay, we use this one. I'm going to show it to you. We use this light dumbbell, okay, to test, okay, the strength training. Okay, so let's check. Let's see the results here. Okay, it's already, I think it's already synchronized here. As you can see, new workout automatically synchronized here on our Zepp application. So let's check the data here. I'm pretty sure there are some additional data for our strength training. Okay, so this is our previous synchronization with the Strava. Let's go back to the main page. We have here our activity, home. Then let's see, we do have here the strength training, 1 sets. Okay, workout time. We have the calories here, the average heart rate, interval time, training load at least 3. We have the heart rate. We have here our heart rate zone. So we do have a light activity. Okay, muscle used. Wow, nice. Okay, how did it figure it out? Okay. Then movement evaluation, we also have it here. Then we have overall evaluation. Okay, biceps curl, 85 reps. Workout balance is 30 out of 70. It's more of endurance than strength. Okay, I'm going to do this again next time, I mean. And I'm going to test this, okay, especially this one, if it's accurate or not. Okay, then now let's try to synchronize this data with our Google Fit app. Okay, again, we have here on the home section. Then select this one, the profile here. we have here third-party account linking. So let's look for the Google Fit. We have here the Google Fit app. Select. Okay, Google Fit username. Authorize. Okay, couldn't pair again. Let's see. I'm going to check the Google Fit if it's activated. Alright, so it's here. Select all, add your sleep data, your heart rate. Okay, we encountered some issues due to the slow connectivity. So that's the only issue. But it is working as you can see here. Then, continue. Paired successfully. Let's see. Okay, so let's see our data here. Let's open the Google Fit. We can access it here, or I think we can just go here directly. We can access there the shortcut, or we can open the app here. Okay. Then, okay, so the data, we do have the data here already. We do have 1,820 steps. We have the distance here. We have the calories, the total. Okay, I'm looking for our workout here. You have the hearts, the step. We have the heart rate, the energy here, or the calories. Let's see here. Okay, so it is available here on the journal. We have the walk. So we have here the data. We have our first walk. I think this is the first one. Okay, so this is the first one. Let's see. So do we have the same data? As you can see, it is different here. It is 905 instead of, okay, walk. Why is it different? Heart rate. Let's go back. 180. Okay, the synchronization is off here. So the synchronization is off here. But we do have here the others. Is this the steps? Distance, moves. It is a bit off. Okay, but we were able to sync it here. We have the distance, the calories, moves, heart rate. Okay. I'm looking for the steps here. We don't have this one. We do have a symbol of somewhat like a step, but that is not the activity that we have. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to study this journal here for our Google Fit. So it is the step symbol, but I don't see our activity here, our workout activity. Unlike with the Strava app, we do have a detailed results, the same. Okay, here it is different. We only have 500 steps, but as you can see, we do have 905 here. So very different. Okay, we do have a wrong number of steps here. Okay, I'm going to show you the Strava application and show you the exact. So we have here the afternoon walk. As you can see, 496. It should be 496. And we have here our strength training. So we also have here the output. Very similar to our Amazfit. Okay, much better. So I'm disappointed with our record here for our Google Fit. But anyways, I'm going to check it again. Okay, to see if it's accurate or not. The synchronization is correct or not. Anyway, what I'm after here is the process on synchronizing the data from our Zepp app to the Google Fit application. Again, if you have any questions regarding this setup, or the guide, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!